Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Bitcoin price prediction based on Elliott Wave analysis. We're gonna see, of course, what Bitcoin is doing today for the intraday and what we might expect next. So basically, we are looking, of course, at our wave 1. Wave 2 here as a diagonal. Wave 3, we are very sure that we are unfolding wave 3 here. But now the question mark is, did we finish the wave 3 as this zigzag ABC? Or are we still looking here at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 just for a wave A, then getting a rebound here, then getting a wave C again, which means, of course, another zigzag for wave 3 to hit our perfect targets there between the 65 and the 68K. And that means, of course, finishing here a 1, 2, and then, of course, this all of it is a wave 3. 1, 2, 3, and then, of course, 4 and a 5. So I'm wondering if this is gonna happen, if this is what we are looking for here, or we are still, or we are finished here, finished with an ABC, very short one, meaning a less aggressive impulse toward the downside since we took the low. That's totally fine. Finishing, of course, a zigzag there, because also an impulse for wave C here can be considered finished. However, because of course this A, B, and a C potential expanding flat here unfolding, because you cannot consider this definitely something as a wave 5 impulsive or motive wave. The only way to consider this as a motive wave is an expanding flat diagonal there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is of course a very, very rare case. I see it much more as a W, X, and a Y in a wave B, and then potentially wave C is unfolding over there. Now, currently, the wave C, in case, of course, this is a wave C, can be, of course, something as a wave 1, but only if you consider this an expanding diagonal. Both have to be an impulse. And as we can see, we see an impulse right now. So we have a 1, 2, 3 here, potential formation of a wave 4 and a 5. So I'm looking for my target still 1.618 here for the expanding flat wave C, and which it was our key level already before for an ABC regular flat. But if it decided to make it as an expanding flat, always the expanding flat goes very low, taking a new low here and bringing, of course, the price as it was supposed to be as a regular flat before. And of course, there we are at 80K 500, and we are looking, of course, for this target to be taken for Bitcoin. So I would say everything is working well. Everything is fine. Now, only one scenario, in case that this is your wave 4 and a 5, finish there. And I repeat, of course, you have to consider a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 here, which it can be very likely zigzag, zigzag wave 3, zigzag wave 5. Yeah, it looks very nice. Honestly, as an expanding diagonal, it looks perfect even. This is exactly what you would like to see in an expanding diagonal. But how much, the possibility is, of course, less, I would say, than the ABC. But if it is there that we have a 1, 2, then okay, we can claim something much more bigger there for Bitcoin, which is, of course, our wave 4. That means if we really bottomed here with the wave 5, and that was your wave C, meaning ABC, finished zigzag, therefore, we are looking for a wave 4. And that means your wave 4 in this diagonal means, of course, you are looking for somewhere here in the perfect targets between the 0.38, 0.5 level, 85K as well, 82K 500. Okay, so currently, in case we are looking for higher, this is our expectation for a wave 4. Now it can be even a little bit higher, since of course this diagonal is not so much aggressive. So I'm expecting higher wave 4 potentially, and then wave 5 later on. Okay, so this is what I'm looking for in Bitcoin, guys. This is for the intraday. Of course, to be watched still, I'm looking at least for the 80K here for Bitcoin in a wave C, at least to finish this wave 4, in case we're still in it. In case we are in a 1, 2 here, of course, and that this wave 5, as I mentioned, the possibility 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5 continuation toward the upside, meaning, of course, you want to see this 5 ways up, 3 ways down, and if we push for higher, we take the high. Okay, then I claim something as a bullish reversal toward the upside, guys. Wish it could, I mean, not very bullish. I think here is, of course, as I mentioned, the wave 4 can be an ABC zigzag, and you want to start with an impulse, of course, for a wave A as usual. Yep, that was it for Bitcoin. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye.